Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Moti brothers. The four Moti brothers aged 7, 11, 13 and 15 kidnapped in Limpopo 3 weeks ago have been reunited with their parents. Police in Vuwani received a call from local residents alerting officers that the children arrived at their house on Wednesday night, saying they were dropped off on a nearby road, said the police spokesperson. Vish Naidu. A doctor confirmed the children are in good health. Zidan, Zayad, Allen and Zia Moti were abducted allegedly by 7 gunmen while being driven from their home in Polokwane in Nirvana suburb to the nearby Curio on 20 October. Parents Nazim and Shakira Moti are overjoyed by the return of their 4 sons. They released a statement on a family business page on Facebook. We are thankful that they were set free, and when we received a phone call to fetch the children, we rushed to the scene full of hope. We are looking forward to healing as a family. The period since the kidnapping has been marked by relative silence from the family and police on updates whether a ransom demands were received. In a statement, they also thanked South Africans for supporting them. We thank Almighty Allah for accepting our prayers and the prayers of so many in South Africa. We wish to express our sincere gratitude to the South African police services, our political parties, the media, all the social media influencers, and everyone who prayed for the safety of our children. On Thursday morning, 11 November, Naidu confirmed that the children had been safely reunited with their family. He said police arranged a doctor who confirmed that the children are in good health before they were handed over to their parents. The children also appeared to be in high spirits during the reunion with their parents. The children have not yet been interviewed by police, but investigators will on Thursday arrange for the SAPS psychologist to assist with that. The investigation into the case of kidnapping is still continuing, and we are appealing to anyone who can assist with the information that will bring the kidnappers to book too. Please contact police. Well, we are very happy that finally the Moti brothers have been returned to their home safely. But this thing is all confusing. There's more into this story. Not so long ago, drugs worth more than 200 million have been stolen from the Hawks offices in Port Shepstone in KwaZulu-Natal. The perpetrators made off with 541 kg of cocaine. Jiggy, the Moti brothers are released. What if all of this was planned? Allegedly, the people from Twitter have done some digging, and News24 back in March 2018 wrote on Twitter, Ramaphosa used controversial businessman Zainab Moti's private jet for official trip at Angelique Saro. Now what if they planned the kidnapping? Allegedly, they be like, what, we take your kids, then steal your cocaine bag, and no one will notice anything because your children are missing. But this is just my own theory allegations, guys. Firstly, it was Gupta's, now it's Moti's. What's your take on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.